Alright, aviation fans, strap in. Today, I'm diving into an absolute legend of the skies, the B-1 B Lancer, or as it's known in Air Force circles, the Bone. This isn't just a bomber, it's a marvel of engineering, a symbol of American air power that's been dominating headlines and airfields since the mid-80s. So what makes the B-1B such a beast? Let's start with the basics. This Boeing-built bomber is long-range, multi-mission, and supersonic. Thanks to its 4 General Electric F-101 engines, it roars past 900 miles per hour, about Mach 1.2 at sea level. And get this, with those engines at full afterburner, each pumps out over 30,000 pounds of thrust. That's how you get a 146-foot-long, 190,000-pound machine absolutely tearing through the sky. The B-1B's most iconic feature, its variable geometry wings. They sweep forward during takeoff and landing, then tuck back for high-speed, low-drag flight. This flexibility lets the Bone maneuver like a much smaller jet, hugging terrain, dodging radar, and getting where it needs to go, fast. And when it comes to firepower, nothing in the Air Force's inventory carries more. The B-1B can haul up to 75,000 pounds of bombs internally, and another 50,000 pounds externally. We're talking precision JDAMs, cluster munitions, naval mines, and even standoff missiles, all inside a single plane. That's what gives it the edge in strike missions from Iraq to Afghanistan. Let's talk history. The B-1's story kicks off in the 1970s, meant to replace the B-52 for nuclear deterrence. The B-1A program got cancelled, then revived in the early 80s as the B-1B, this time with more payload, less radar signature, and a focus on survivability. By the mid-90s, arms reduction treaties shifted its mission nuclear out, all conventional in. And that's when the Bone really proved itself. During Operation Allied Force in 1999, just 6 B-1S flew 2% of strike sorties, but dropped over 20% of all the bombs. In Afghanistan, the B-1B delivered nearly 40% of precision weapons, while flying a fraction of the total missions. It's a bomber that always punches above its weight. Of course, age catches up to every airframe. Decades of hard flying have meant lots of maintenance and upgrades, everything from new avionics to radar and communications boosts. But Boeing and the Air Force are keeping the B-1B sharp, planning to keep it in service through at least 2040 as the B-21 Raider gears up to take its place. So here's the bottom line, the B-1B Lancer is fast, flexible, and ferociously capable. It's a bomber that set records, shaped history, and kept adversaries on their toes for nearly 40 years. No matter what comes next, the Bone has earned its place in the Aviation Hall of Fame. If you're as obsessed with military aviation as I am, drop your thoughts on the B-1B below. What's your favorite feature or memory? Smash that like button, subscribe for more sky-high content, and I'll catch you in the next mission.